Here we've got the Daisy 525 Micron pool cover. These covers are a great addition for an outdoor pool. They'll retain majority of the heat overnight, reduce the heat loss in the pool with the heating system. This one's a 525 Micron, 10-year pro rata warranty. We've done the Daisy ST roller on this one. The ground slope's off on one side, so we had to adapt the roller using an adjustable leg so that the tube actually sat horizontal with the pool surface. The result ended up turning out very well. Customer's happy, roller's easy to use, cover's holding the heat in. Got the Heliocol collectors on the roof. Got 6 HC38s, 6 HC26 Heliocol collectors, 25-year warranty on these. Aesthetically pleasing. It's on the front of the house, you can see it from the road. Pipework travels back to the pump area. This customer was convinced that she needed a heat pump. She didn't quite have the power supply without running a new circuit. So we've done the solar heating, the cover. We're early May now. It's only in the last week she's really lost the pool temperature. It's down to about 22 at the minute. She was sitting around the 28 to 32 degree range right up until about a week or two ago. So good combination. If she decides she wants to swim for a little bit more, we'll do a heat pump.